Hi, and welcome to Inquiry class. So today we're going to go over exactly how to complete our assignment called SMARCL Reflection. Remember, ever since the beginning of second quarter, we have been working on creating a SMARCL to improve in our class assignments in order to improve on the report card. And that's the final goal. And we've had come up with some ideas, we've implemented some plans, and now we want to take a moment and reflect and see if our third quarter has improved or gone down from our first and second quarter. Reflect on the things that we did in third quarter to earn the grades that we earned, and then make a plan for success in fourth quarter. Remember, every single quarter, our report card starts over. So every single quarter is an opportunity to completely wash the slate clean and start over again. Okay? So let's jump into it. If we look in our inquiry class and in the classwork, we can see our SMARCL reflection right here. This video will be attached to this assignment when it is done. This is what the SMARCL reflection looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into student view and you're going to look at your report card and you are going to write down your grades for first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter. Your foreign language and art might not have posted yet for third quarter, so these two squares might be blank, but the rest of it should be completely filled out. When you're done with that, actually, let's go through how to do that. So to find your grades, you are going to go to the quick links section. The K-8 quick links for Stockton Unified. You are going to click on student view and this will, this will not pop up. Let's come back here. And this will pop up. Then you click that you are a student and you use your username and password. I cannot go farther than this because if I put someone's username and password in, their grades come up. But once you've logged in, on the left side, you'll see report card. If you click on report card, your grades will come up for your current third quarter grades, and then you can go back and look at your first and second quarter grades. Now, for the first quarter in report cards, because remember we're sharing with a high school, is called Fall First Semester. The second quarter is called Fall Second Semester. And the third quarter is called Spring First Semester. Now, if you are in University of Hawaii, that's already written. But for Sac State, that is not written, and there you go. Once this is completely done, I want you to look at your grades and look at your math grade. First quarter, second quarter, and then third quarter. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it staying the same? And then I want you to find one glow, one thing in any of your class, not necessarily math, it could be humanities, it could be science. Find one glow. A glow is something that you're proud of, something that you highlight. So for example, today one of the students took their English grade. First semester it was a B, and second semester it was a B, and third semester they pulled it up to an A, and that's their glow. Now remember, we are racering this. If you need help with Racer, remember there is a room for you to remind you, but just to give you just a really quick refresher. R stands for restate. Use academic vocabulary from the question. A stands for answer. Answer the question. C stands for cite evidence. What evidence supports your answer? E stands for explain. Explain the evidence that supports your response. And R stands for restate. Restate your R and A. So you're going to choose a glow and then you're going to choose a grow. Maybe one of your grades went down a little bit. Maybe one of the grades dipped. Maybe one of the grades has been struggling this whole quarter. That might be a good grow for you. So you're going to choose a glow and you're going to choose a grow and you're going to racer each of those questions. Again, if you need help with Racer, there's an entire Bitmoji classroom dedicated to Racer that you can go and explore whenever you need to. Then, on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 means never, not true. 5 means it's always true, yes, all the time. I want you to answer each of these questions. I write my planner every day. Do you write in your planner every day? If you do, you are going to put a 5. If you write almost every day, probably 4 out of the 5 days of the week, you would put a 4. Let's say you write about half the time. Sometimes you remember, sometimes you don't. That would be a 3 or a 2. Let's say we open up our planner to last week. Well, last week was spring break. The week before, the week of March 8th. If you don't have anything in there, that would probably be a 1. So answer each of these questions, and that's it. That's all you have to do for this. I hope this video is helpful. Have a great day.